Nowadays, every big creator uses this type of viral background and also uses money effect, transition sound effect, white icon, emoji PNG, paper background, building animation. I am going to give you all of these in one pack, where you get all types of backgrounds like paper BG, grid BG, motion BG. You also get many types of sound effects like fire sound, glitch sound, paper sound, whoosh sound, and also get many white icons, lots of emoji icons. I will give the pack download link in my video description. Go and check there. Now you can also make eye-catching viral videos.